hub docking station for Tesla. Thanks to Tesstudio giving me this hub docking station for reviewing. So it's meant for Model 3 Highland, Model Y Juniper. So this is what we call a 3-in-1 smart central console expansion dock. Let me just open this. Hub docking station. There is a manual how to install this, and this is a warranty and support from Tesstudio. Let me just open this. Yep. So this is how it looks like. It's in gray. There's a place where you can plug this in. Yeah, I think this is the what we call the cigarette place, right? This is the front. This is where you can charge your watch, and this is where you can pull out the cable. This is a USB-C cable, and say you want to change it to lightning cable, you can actually use this extension or converter. You just put it in this way, so you have a lightning cable. But nowadays the newer iPhones are all USB-C. Pull it and let it stay at this position, or you can pull it again to keep it. Yeah, I think there's a magnet here as well. So once you put it here, you automatically put it in this place for you. And of course you can also stick this back in. Yep, to keep your lightning converter. So over here there is another USB port, and this is the USB-C port. Yeah, so you can always also close this. You can close this so that it looks so much neater. So all right, let's install this. So do you have the same problem like mine? You have a cable here charging your phone, and of course this is coming from inside here. Yeah, let me just take this out. There's only one port, and I also do not like to use the wireless charging. That's because I have all this behind and this cover, and also I have a card behind, so I don't use wireless charging. Troublesome, yeah, for me to take out the casing every single time. So I also disable this wireless charging. So in this compartment here, I have these drawers. I have these small drawers where I can take out. Yep. And once I've taken everything out, this is the place where you can plug in this one. Yeah, this is where you get your electricity from. Let's install this first. This is the docking station from Tesstudio. So this should be pretty straightforward. I would not plug this in first. Let's install this before I plug in. The other way. Over here. Slot it in and push it. That's it. Pretty simple, yeah? So it's actually pretty straightforward. All I need to just put it in and slot it to until the end. And of course, I would need to plug this in. Yeah. All right, and immediately you get to see the ambient light is on. Yeah, I think I just put this back. Or this can go back inside. It will not disrupt how I use this. Yep. Yep, can, no problem. And this back, go back underneath. Okay, so I can always just close this. You need to open this, then you get to have access to all your slots here. And USB-C is just here. All right, this cable. So let me just try and charge my phone. Voila, yeah, it's charging. And this is not slow charging. Yeah, definitely not. Just want to put this back. Okay, and instead of using that cable, I have a USB-C cable where I can charging my phone. Works fine. Yep. If you do not have a USB-C cable like mine, then maybe just a normal USB cable, USB-A they call it, also can be used here. Say you do not want to charge, you can just of course plug it out, push it back in, then it's clean. Yeah, the dust will not go in, and pretty simple, straightforward. It's one more part here where you can use to charge your Apple Watch. Okay, so let's try it. It's working. Yeah. Okay, thanks for checking this video out. I hope this helps. Yeah, if you are interested in getting this hub docking station, you can click in the description for the link. Yeah, and I will give you guys a code. Then you can get some discounts using the code. Yeah. So thanks to Tesstudio again. That's all, guys. Bye.